Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to do the drag and drop action in Selenium. Let's get started. We are going to do the drag and drop action in this web page. Now go back to your script, go to your package, right click, select new and then select class. Give the class name, select this checkbox and click finish. Now launch the web browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver, and then open the web page driver.get. Here we need to paste the URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Import the Firefox driver. Now we need to identify the element. So we are dragging this object and dropping here. So first identify this element. Right click, go to inspect. So this is the ID of that element. So we have the ID form : drag content. Copy this ID and write driver dot find element by dot ID inside bracket double quotes. Paste that ID. Now store this in a web element. Here we can give the name as from element. Import this web element. So we need to identify the drop element also. So right now we identified this element. Now we are going to identify this element, drop. Right click again, go to inspect. So this is the ID of the drop element. Copy this. Write driver dot find element by dot ID open bracket inside double quotes. Paste the ID. Store this in a web element again. So for the first one we gave the name as from element. Here we can give the name as to element. Equal to, okay. Now we identified both the drag and drop elements. Now we need to perform the action. So for that, in our previous video we did the drop down functionality, and for that we used the select class. So for drag and drop we have a class called actions in Selenium. Actions, give the name, variable name action equal to new actions of driver. Now import these actions. Now we can write the script for the drag and drop. So we can do this in two ways. So first let me show you the simple way to do this. So we are dragging this element and dropping here. So for that we have a function in Selenium called drag and drop. Action dot drag and drop of here source and target. So this is our source element and this is our target element. So that means this from element is the source element and to element is the target element. And then to perform this action we have a function called perform. So then only this action will happen. Now let's run the script. Right click, run as Java application. So the element is dragged and dropped here. So we can also do this in another way. Let me explain that also. We can comment this for now. So how we are doing in this web page manually? So we are dragging this and dropping here. That is, we are clicking the mouse of this drag element and move the element to the target place, and then we are releasing the mouse. That is, click and hold the mouse and then move to the target element and then release the mouse. So we need to do the scripting for the same actions. That is, this action dot, we have a function called click and hold. Click and hold. So we are holding the source element. So that means we are holding this from element. Click and hold, then move to the target element. So for that, dot move to element. So move to target element here. So this is the target element. Then click and hold, move, and then release the mouse. So dot release off. And then finally, to perform the action, dot perform. So if we execute this, it will show the same result. Right click, run as Java application. The same function is happening. So either you can do this way or you can also do this way. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.